Hi, hello, my dear CA final students. After a long time, I'm so happy to meet you in YouTube. So there was a big break. I was held up with lot of other things, and thereafter I started one regular batch also, and one regular batch is going on for November 26, May 27 and November 27 exams, and that's the reason why I was not able to get in touch with you because I was under book preparation, book updation, etc. and all. First things first, whether we have amendments for November 26 exam. Now that ICI has made September 26 and Jan 27 exam into one attempt, that is November 26 exam, whether there are any amendments? No, very less number of amendments. So like cosmetic changes only 5 amendments are there, not much, and that 5 amendments also as a small video, hardly it will be like half an hour. So I will post that video separately, but not much amendment. So if you are having the old books of May 26 books, please don't invest on the new books. For that matter, with any faculty, even my book also you don't have to buy new one, and other faculty books also you don't have to buy new one. So whatever May 26 books that you have, you can retain it for your November 26. Suppose if you have already purchased, it's okay, fine, leave it. But if you have not purchased, please don't purchase anything new for November 26. Make use of same May 26 books. Suppose if you have any book before May 26, so then you please go for November 26 latest books, okay, and that is available in our website. Second thing is that, whether we have to prepare a lot for November 26, definitely yes, because going forward what ICI have observed is that lots of questions, new questions and very standard questions, surprising areas under they started asking. Reason because of AI. They started deploying AI into the preparation of question papers. So due to that reason, you cannot expect the same set of questions what you have practiced to appear in exam. So definitely it will be new. So when you see a new question, that to some paragraph, so lot of analysis, thinking and all will be required. So due to that reason, you will find it difficult. So now you need to fine tune yourself in terms of having the clarity in the concept, and preparation should be little more rigorous, okay. And one success which I wanted to share with you is that this attempt, May 26 paper, was difficult. It's not an easy paper. So compared to the last few attempts, they are increasing the standard 10%, 10%, 10%, like that. The standard is keep on increasing. So May 26 paper was difficult paper only. And in that paper, so like many of you would have felt, if it is group 1, it is AFM, group 2, this IDT paper came out of like a surprise. But IDT not like AFM. AFM was so terrible. But compared to AFM, IDT was not that terrible. It is approachable only, but the paper was lengthy and lot of new things, like new way of asking and all they started doing, okay. But otherwise, the paper was approachable. And when it comes to result, the result is amazing this time. So we have got 150 plus students who scored exemption in indirect tax. So that was something which I wanted to share with you, that happiness with all of you. And also we have got this time somewhere like 6 ranks, but we are expecting more also because of Telegram getting banned. Lot of students could not message their ranks with us. So due to that reason, so far these are the ranks that students have shared, but furthermore ranks are also there, and furthermore exemptions are also there. So what you need to do is that if you are watching this video, so in the description to this video, there will be a Google Drive link. In that Google Drive link, please share your result, your exemption or the rank, because we will be conducting a felicitation event. For that felicitation event, we will be inviting the rankers and the exemption students, and we will be giving them a memento. So in our felicitation event for that purpose. So that felicitation event will be happening every year. So during Jan month or Feb month. So for that reason, it's my humble request, so that if you have got exemptions or if you have got any ranks, please update in that Google Sheet, or those who cleared both the groups also, please update that in the Google Sheet. So your result you share. so that we will call you for the felicitation event, and we really wanted to felicitate you, and that is the time where as a teacher I feel like, okay, seeing your success is my success. That is the only way I will be happy, because every teacher for that matter, so when they will be happy, when their students have achieved. So those who cleared this exam, CA exams, or those who got rank, please do visit your teachers. So go to your teachers from your school level. So I'm not talking about the teachers only at the CA level. So go to your teachers at the school level, because if you have achieved something, without their contribution, you would not have got anything. So definitely their role will be there, either positively or negatively. Maybe negatively they would have scolded that you will not achieve anything in your life, and you have achieved it. So it's okay. Both are fine. You go and tell them that I am your student. Today I qualified CA, or I got this so rank. They will be the happiest people that day. They will sleep with smile on their face, because that is a reason why people choose teaching profession. So not for the sake of money or not for the sake of anything else. So people choose teaching profession only for the job satisfaction. That job satisfaction they will get only when the students achieve the success. So that's the reason why, I'm requesting you to share your result, and also don't forget, please do go to your teachers and tell them, that is your school teachers, etc. and all, and tell them that I cleared CA. So that is something which you need to do for my sake. Okay, then next thing is that, so we are having lot of exemption students. These are the top scorers, but this time the highest score so far what we got was 75, which is a little bit disappointing, because the highest score used to be with our students 88, like that and all. Now because the paper was lengthy, as I already told you, the top mark was somewhere like 75, 74, like that only. But maybe some students have missed sharing their marks. Because of that, I don't know. But so far, whatever data which I have received, based on that I am telling you. And coming to the main aspect, that is, we are starting free test series for those students who are appearing for November 26 exams. So you're watching this video, and if you are appearing for CA final November 26 exam, or if you have cleared CA, please share this with those students who are appearing for November 26, your juniors, so that it will be beneficial for them. One common feedback what many students have shared with me was that, sir, your test series was top notch and it was so difficult. At the time when we attempted the test series, we felt like, it was difficult and we were little disappointed. But after your test series, when we started seeing the MTPs, etc. and all, we felt little relaxed, and even we were able to approach in the exam. Yes, the test series are going to be difficult, because I have made it in such a way, because always I believe in one word, that when going gets tough, tough gets going. So when you prepare in that difficult level, so whenever you get a paper, what is the paper? Maybe it is difficult or less than this. If it is difficult, already you prepared, face it. If it is less difficult, it's good that you are able to get the success. Always be in that attitude. So that's the reason why the test series are going to be difficult. And this time, as we have good ample time for November 26 exam, and we are in what? Just in the June month only. So July, August, September, October, 4 solid months we have. Amazingly you can prepare and also aim for a rank. So I was telling this repeatedly, there is no big difference between a student who just clears versus a ranker. So marginal marks difference is only there. So if you are able to write both groups and get on an average somewhere like 50 to 60%, you will be somewhere in the top 50 ranks. So aim for it, because definitely 1 or 2 subjects you should have in your hand. In group 1, 1 subject should be in your hand where your aim should be 80. And in group 2, 1 subject should be there in your hand where your aim should be 80. So in group 2, IDT is a paper where you can definitely aim for 80 plus. So now what happens is that if you are able to get 80 plus in IDT and in group 1, 1 paper 80 plus, your score will be very good and you will be in a ranker. So if you are a ranker, you can turn around whatever past that you have done. So your foundation may be multiple attempts, your intermediate may be multiple attempts, but ranker, when you are a ranker, you are known as a ranker only at CA final level. At CA final level, getting a rank is a game changing moment, because thereafter you will go to the MDP program, which is conducted by IIMs or ISB along with the sponsorship of ICI. And there when you go, you meet the fellow rankers across the country, and when you meet them, your network will increase. When your network increases, because of which you know as to what are all the organizations where there are vacancies. Because believe me that 80% of the employment today are from the internal sources. Companies are not looking out beyond the internal sources. 80% of the jobs are getting filled through the internal sources itself. Internal references, internal sources. In case if they are not getting, then only they are hitting Naukri or LinkedIn or some other places. This is the reality and the hard truth which you should be knowing. So don't believe in the people who are telling that I will train you for the jobs. No, that is not the way in which jobs are working now. The jobs are working simple. It is only through your contacts and network. So if you become a ranker, the moment when you go to the MDP program, you can create a very good network between the rankers. So whenever they are getting an offer, so when I are not able to take up that offer because they got some other offer, better offer, they may be referring you. And because of which you can go into the bigger companies at a very good pay, etc. and all. That's the reason, one advantage. Second advantage, you stand as an inspiration for your next generation of students who are entering into the CA final, your juniors, because they look up to you and they also get inspired that why should not I get the rank. You're making a very good path. The chain effect will always work out. Okay. So that's the reason why I'm requesting you on a societal, aspect also, that when you do it, it's really creating wonders that your next set of students also. Because see, according to me, many people will be thinking that will I get a rank, will I be able to get a rank. Now just imagine your roommate, someone, your senior, so in your articleship office, if they are able to get a rank, what will be your feeling? Yes, he's able to achieve, why can't I? So you get that now. So that chain effect is what we all need now. Fine. So this particular test series is going to be difficult, and you make a revision plan like this. So what I did is that starting from 29th June to 5th July, 29th June to 5th July, like that, weekly I have divided. Every Sunday there will be a question paper uploaded and you need to write the test. So this will be your revision plan, wherein we are starting from 29th June and we are completing it by 30th August. 29th June to 30th August. So where we are completing IDT portion. But daily should we prepare? No, you don't have to prepare daily. I'm going to give you the clarity of the daily. You don't have to learn. So weekly I have given the portion. So hardly 9 weeks you are going to spend time. How this 9 weeks? Like for example, you can take daily 2 hours and you can sit and prepare, so that in a week 14 hours you will be spending daily 2 hours. Or alternatively, one full day in the week you devote it for IDT. Either daily 2 hours or one full day in a week you devote for IDT. I need 14 hours of your time to be invested in that week on that particular portion. Just 14 hours. Okay, 2 hours a day. Either 2 hours a day or 14 hours in one day. You decide. That's up to you. Because I don't know about your other plannings or other things, etc. and all. That particular week you need to complete this portion. For example, the first week, supply, charge under GST, exemptions. Charge under GST, both CGST, IGST and exemptions. From this only the question paper will be. And this you need to complete. Once you complete, Sunday there will be a question paper. You download that question paper, you take a print of it, you write the test, and I will also share this suggested answer with this stepwise marking. If you have written this, how many marks? If you have written this, how many marks? Like that. Stepwise marking also I gave. You evaluate yourself. So you will know where you are standing. Now like that, week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 weeks, you are going to complete the first revision. Okay, till customs and FTP. So by 9th August, your first revision is over. Once that first revision is over, so which means hardly you are spending what? 6 days. 6 days. How 6 days? I told you, like 2 hours in a day or 1 full day in the week. So literally 6 days, or like 6 weeks, daily 2 hours. Anything is fine. Then thereafter, you are going to write test 7, which is merger of test 1 to 3 syllabus. So test 1 to test 3 we have portion na. Combining that, one half portion test you are going to write. So now the second revision happens. And again test 8, which is remaining half portion. Test 4, 5, 6 portion. So by writing test 7 and 8, so you are going to complete the second revision. Now the third revision. This third revision will be for test, mock test, which is on 30th August, so that you completed 3 revisions by 30th August. So because first you will prepare, thereafter the same thing again you prepare, thereafter same thing again you prepare, learning curve will operate. So every time you don't need that much effort. So you completed 3 revisions by 30th August. September and October month you have. So you prepare for other subjects, and thereafter you go for November exam. At that November exam, 1 day revision is also sufficient, so that you will do 4 revisions. If you really wanted to score 80 plus in exam, whatever may be the difficulty of the paper, minimum 4 revisions is required for each subject. Keep this in mind. 4 revisions for each subject. And don't go for selective preparation. Prepare thoroughly, because in AFM May 26 exam, you know what they did? They took one page in study material, which is like a theory, which is usually neglected by all students and all faculties. They took that page and they have put it in the cloth, and they created one question, one practical question, and that they have asked in the exam. You got it? So which means that, so ICI is taking some areas which are usually not discussed or learned by the student, and they will be making the questions. So therefore this selective preparation will not work out in final exam, trust me. So you need to go with complete preparation. Out of my experience, what I have seen with the students and these rankers, so far for us we have got 95 rankers in a span of 4 years. So this many students I have interacted. So with every student when I interacted, based on that only I am just sharing you this feedback. So not that something which it comes to my mind I am sharing. No, I will never do that. So all these rankers, what they said is this: sir, we should make complete preparation. So that's why I'm telling you, make complete preparation, minimum 4 revisions. You will be seeing the wonders in your exam. Trust me, it will happen. Okay. So this is the revision plan, what you need to follow starting from 29th June till 30th August. And it is like a scheduled, so that every Sunday starting from 5th July, you will be having a question paper. Sir, where should we register for this? We have launched a new app, Brainery Virtuals, like that one app we have launched. So this Brainery Virtuals app you download, and once you download this, it is available in the Play Store, App Store, etc. Once you download this, so you will be seeing, this course, free IDT test series, like that. So you click on that course and enroll it. It is free for enrolling. You have to just do the sign up. So once you sign up, so you have to enroll for this course. So click on this. Once you click on this, you will be seeing like the portion. So I have just given this index, etc. and all. And here you will be seeing the portion. So in this portion, so you can click on the test 1, test 2, test 3, like that. I have just updated the index. And what you need to do is that once you see this index, so here you will be able to see the question paper. You can also download the question paper. Here there will be a link that we will be providing. Once you click on that link, you will be able to see the PDF. Okay, so open PDF, we are giving a open PDF for downloading. You can download that PDF and you can take a printout of it. Even suggested answer also I will be providing, so you can download. This is a downloadable. And why sir app? Because we wanted to ensure that even some other MCQ test also being incorporated into this. So a lot of MCQs also I am going to add in this for that purpose, and don't expect from me the explanation video and all. Really I am not able to deliver that for that reason, but revision videos, yes. So revision videos I will try to adhere to this schedule, and to the extent possible I will release the revision videos for these topics. Don't worry about that. And these revision videos will help you, and I will be doing revision from that sheet book. You also do revision from that sheet book and solve as many questions as you can from the solved workbook. That is the correct approach. And whenever you have doubt, you refer to the resource book or you refer to the study material, etc. and all. So that is the proper preparation. First you need to revise from that sheet book. After revising from that sheet book, you take up the solved workbook and start solving the questions. There you may have some doubts, etc. and all. Not solved workbook, some other compiler of some other faculty whomsoever you are following, and after doing that compiler of past exam questions, etc. and all, where you have doubts, you refer to the main book. So if you have attended classes with some other faculty, you will have that main book, or if you have attended my classes, you will have either revised book or resource book. You refer there, and even study material is also there, you refer there. And once your preparation is done, print out of the question paper, then write the answer, then download the suggested answer where step marks will be given. You evaluate yourself. Okay, so this is what you can do and ensure that you are completing your revision by 30th August. Thereafter you are ready for your exams. September, October you plan for other subjects, maybe 1 or 2 days you spend for IDT just to get in touch with the subject. That is enough. So literally a 10 days plan is what I have given. So these 9 days plus 1 day during September and October, enough. So a 10 days, if you devote 10 days for indirect tax, that is sufficient. If I cannot spend 10 days also sir for indirect tax, then leave it, write in May exam. Okay, that's the reality, ground reality I am telling you. This many minimum days you need to. And we will be closing the registrations by 30th June. Thereafter we will not be adding any student. So therefore please download the app and you enroll for it as soon as possible. Thereafter we will be converting that particular course into unlisted, so that we don't want to give access to everyone. And so make it fast. By 30th June, whatever registrations that are there, we will close down, and in that we will be giving you the question papers, suggested answers, even any extra MCQ test or some other videos, etc. and all required. So I will be posting into that and I will be in touch with you. Okay, thank you. And if you want to access that through browser also, you can do that through braineryvirtuals.com website. Braineryvirtuals.com website, when you go through browser also, you will be able to reach out. So braineryvirtuals.com. Okay, so in this website www.braineryvirtuals.com, in this you can do the login and you can go to the courses, and in this courses you can see, suppose if you don't want to download the app, etc., using browser also you will be able to access. Click on this free test series, enroll, and you will be able to do. Okay, and once you enroll for free, you don't have to pay for anything, and you will be able to see the lectures, etc., and we will also give you the attachment to download. You can do that. Clear? So this is the process. And if you have any queries further relating to this, please put it in the comment section and our team will highlight it to me, so that you will be getting the proper reply, etc. and all. Thank you. Thanks a lot for trusting me, and please share this information to your friends or to your juniors, etc., so that they will get benefited out of it. Thank you all. Signing off. Take care, and I will be in touch with you. Thank you.